Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide to the latest happenings in the world of business. Over the weekend, 4 companies announced dividends or the intention to declare dividends so that investors can profit from cash flow to their bank accounts. Access Financial Services Limited has advised that its board of directors is scheduled to meet on May 28, 2024, and at this meeting the directors will consider a dividend payment to the ordinary shareholders of the company. Stanley Motor Limited has advised that its board of directors will convene a meeting on Thursday, May 16, 2024, to consider the payment of a dividend to stockholders. NCB Financial Group Limited has declared an interim dividend of 50 cents per stock unit payable on June 10, 2024 to stockholders on record as of May 27, 2024. The ex-dividend is May 24, 2024. Grace Kennedy Limited has declared an interim dividend of 55 cents per stock unit payable on June 14, 2024 to stockholders on record as at May 24, 2024. The ex-dividend date is May 22, 2024. The recent expansion of a local pharmaceutical giant, R.A. Williams Distributors Limited, into Spanish Town, St. Catherine, is expected to contribute to the growth of the pharmaceutical market in Jamaica, which is projected to achieve US $97 million this year, according to JIS News. Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister, Senator, the Honorable Auburn Hill, in his address at the recent opening of the company's new complex in the New Brunswick Village, said the projection was taken from the statistics portal for market data. The industry is expected to grow by about 5 or 6% in the next year, the minister noted. Senator Hill said that as of March 31, 2024, the Pharmacy Council of Jamaica has on record 587 pharmacies, along with approximately 1,369 pharmacists, adding that the sector is poised to be a major player in Jamaica's development. Spanish Town-based thermoplastics manufacturer Omni Industries Limited has announced a combined initial public offer, an offer for sale of 500 million shares on the Jamaica Stock Exchange Junior Market. The shares come at a subscription price of $1 Jamaican per unit, and the offer will open this Friday, May 17, and closes at 4 p.m. on May 31. NCB Capital Markets is the lead broker and arranger for this combined offer. Founded by the late Huey Kumst, a German entrepreneur in Jamaica, Omni Industries started out with the production of garden hoses in 1974 in Kingston. Today, Omni is located in the industrial zone of Twickenham Park, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, on over 7 acres, with more than 130,000 square feet of warehouse space. The company serves over 1,800 customers locally and overseas, with distributions to Panama. During trading for the period of May 6, 2024 to May 10, 2024, the following companies valued at 500 million Jamaican dollars or more in assets represent the overall volume leaders in terms of equity sales on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 14,162,904 units, amounting to 29.78% of the market volume on the main market in terms of sales. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 9,066,901 units, amounting to 19.06% of the market value in the terms of sales. JMMB Group Limited 9.5% with 4,894,830 units, amounted to 10.2% of the market in terms of sales. During the trading period for May 6, 2024 to May 10, 2024 on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the following companies represent the overall volume leaders in terms of sales of equities on the junior stock market, which houses companies valued at 50 million Jamaican dollars or more in asset value. Fosrich Company Limited with 117,790,248 units amounted to 80% of the market volume in the junior market in terms of sales of stock. Caribbean Assurance Brokers Limited with 9,425,802 units amounted to 6.42% of the market volume on the junior market in terms of sales. Mailpack Group Limited with 3,912,499 units amounted to 2.6% of the market volume on the junior market in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 10, 2024, registered a volume of 255,819 shares crossing the floor of the exchange valued at 838,815 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 26 cents. JMMB Group Limited was the volume leader with 170,749 shares changing hands for a value of 230,810 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 15 cents, followed by NCB Financial Group Limited with a volume of 50,988 shares being traded for 137,667 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 60 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 10, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $86.1 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $70.6 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.23 and bought the US dollars for $155.97. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.26, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 32 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.22 and bought for $114.90. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $1.93, selling it for $196.61 and buying it for $194.68. For our credit report tip of the day, we want to talk to persons who just got their first job. So landing your first job at 18 is a significant milestone. You get a paycheck, but you also are included in the world of credit. So from your first job until you die, your credit report follows you, okay? So here's how you can kickstart your credit journey on the right foot. Take time to understand credit basics. Grasp the fundamentals of credit. Learn about your credit score, how they're calculated, and the impact on your financial future. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed. Stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.